Hey everybody, I'm Sean. That's Apollo. There's Artemis. And this is Olympian Mobile Auto Wash. So as you can see, my son and I were already out here, me and my youngest. Already gave Artie a little cleaning up. But today's video, we're going to be looking at things I'm wanting to do in the future, and today is going to be cleaning the engine bay. I'm going to be thinking about offering this as an additional service as to what I offer right now. This will be probably next year because I'm still testing out different methods and chemicals and things like that, just to make sure I have it dialed in so that it's appropriate for mobile detailing. So two things you got to worry about when you do engine bay. You got to worry about your air intake, and you got to worry about your electrical. So I'm going to be covering this, even though it is covered and I'm not using a pressure washer. I'm still going to cover it with a bag, and once the water's done flowing, I'm going to come back in here with some brushes and we'll clean that up. Also, we're going to clean this, and when I get this, look at, okay, all right, this will come out, clean under there, clean this. But yeah, that'll be today's video. So let's go. All right, so like I said, I'm not going to use a pressure washer. Got that high-end Walmart bag going on. I'm not going to use a pressure washer just simply because all the electronics and stuff that are in modern engines just don't feel comfortable having pressurized water in there. That being said, I'm going to be using on the mist. That way we get a nice coating. I'm actually going to take this out. Alright. What I have here is this is actually just some incredible suds that I use for the exterior. It's just really watered down. You can still see it's kind of foamy, and the color doesn't come across, but it is a little purple tinge to it. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to mist this down. Probably won't even see any suds. That's alright. Get everything misted down with this cleaning solution. Covered. Now normally other cars have their air filter and it's not covered, but this one obviously nice coating down. I left my brushes over there. So start with the least dirty areas to begin with. So mainly just because things like that. That's nice. So with this is the flag tip brush that I do also use on the wheels, but it's safe to use on all the paint and all that good stuff. So we'll get in as much as we can with this. Now this engine bay, besides this part down here, pretty clean actually. You know, I like to keep these clean. So usually after I go to the car wash, I'll open it up and wipe it down. I usually won't do any actual detergents on it or cleaning, cleaning solutions or anything like that. But let's get a nice general brushing with this one. Here. covered plastic. Some more good stuff. Cool. Be a banger of a day out today. It's like 80 some degrees. Love it. Alright. Then we'll go into the little itty bitty parts with the brush that I also use for the wheels. And this one can get into all the little nooks and crannies. It doesn't need to be 100% because we are doing the engine bay. And all the little spots. Now this side is in direct sunlight, so there we go. No problem. No more incredible suds on there. Now the engine bay cleaning is pretty basic. You just get any surface that you can with brushes, tools and chemicals and stuff like that. But it's more time consuming than anything because it's so intricate. There's all these little pieces you want to move around, get around, clean. You got to be kind of methodical because otherwise you're going to miss a whole bunch. So again, this isn't a service I'm offering this year yet. It's all dependent on how this first year of detailing goes, what kind of clientele I can build up. So if you're looking for a full service mobile detailer, eventually that'll be me. Not just yet. We gotta make sure that everybody knows what's going on and I can take care of my customers and the services that they want. What about you guys? What are you looking for in a mobile detailer? What services would interest you? Leave a comment. Comment down below. Okay. So this engine bay is pretty clean because I already kind of wipe it down and take care of it. So really going to look pretty much the same. But at least you guys have kind of an idea. Also, can't forget about this. Just bring that up here so I can do the camera still mounted on there. I'm really digging this flight tip nylon brush. It's really nice, it's really versatile. Use it on all kinds of things. I'm trying to keep it where you guys can see it. Nooks. Go. Yeah. So that is as simple as it gets. And now comes. That electrical bar feels very dirty. One. Let's put it back in there. It's supposed to go. Where it's supposed to go. Where it's supposed to go. Ha! Wipe down. Like a junky microfiber. As long as it's just absorbent and takes up the rest of the leftover junk. Good. So, again, depending on how all the how this year goes as far as clientele and stuff like that, this is a service that I'll be offering probably next year. So let me know down in the comments what you guys would like to see as a mobile detailer, and also tell me what you think. It's not too bad, huh? And then I think I'd probably be offering, you know, putting some of the same coating that I put on the outside, put it on the plastic trim. That way everything's shiny, a little extra hydrophobic. And that would be pretty nice. So, also, I think maybe next week I'll be doing a video maybe on the interior of Apollo, and then that way you guys can also see what another thing I'd be offering next year would be interior cleaning. There is a turtle wax product that I'm using right now that does basically all the interior, as well as protects the leather and stuff like that. I'm not too happy with the way it makes the leather feel. It's very, very slick. Like if you're wearing athletic shorts like these and you sit down on those seats, sometimes it feels like you're going to be launched into the footwell when you brake. So just something I'm contemplating yet. Alright, so there we have it. That's today's video. It's not even noon and I'm sweating like crazy. So yeah, that's what I'm thinking about doing for next year, as well as interior. I'm also thinking doing like headlight restoration. There's a few other things I'm looking at. So if that interests you, if that's something that you'd like to see next year, leave a comment, like the video. So yeah, share, subscribe, do all that good stuff, so I can grow my audience and hopefully grow my customer base as well. So let me see. We got dad advice. I gotta think on that a little bit. Hold on. Alright, dad advice here. So find yourself a hobby that you can do by yourself. A hobby that you can do by yourself, but also with other people. Like for me, I enjoy shooting. I enjoy going by myself. I enjoy taking my boys. Pretty soon me and some of the guys are gonna have to go. But it's also something you can do on your own. I know I enjoy yakking. That's my daughter's up there that I made. That's mine that a buddy of mine made, but it's mainly what he made. About 90%. But yeah, find yourself a hobby. I know all hobbies are expensive, but find something that you enjoy doing while you are not working. It's just a good time to go out and relax, have fun, not worry about anything, and just enjoy being alive. So alright guys, that's the video. Thank you so much. Like, share, subscribe, do all that YouTube stuff, and we'll see you in the next one. Thanks a lot.